never fed it in. I've lived a life full of sin. No one keeps me too long. They say I'm doing them wrong. I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to be free. I just want to be free. I don't make anyone proud, stand out too much in the crowd. They're always putting me down. They say I'm cheap and I'm loud, and maybe that's true. But what can I do? Ah, what can I do? And then I saw you. Ah, you're beautiful, outside and in. Jesus, even your skin. Well, don't come over here. Don't look at me. Ah, don't look at me. You say I'm beautiful too. Well, I'd love to believe you, but I've struggled with this ever since I was a child. Since they took away my smile. Since they took away my smile. You see, when I was young, they laughed at everything I done, always putting me down. They told me I was a clown, and maybe that was true. But what could I do? Ah, what could I do? I find temporary homes in the words of my songs. Keep laying myself bare, pretending that I don't care. But really I am scared. But really I'm scared. I'm always scared. You say I'm beautiful too. Well, I'd love to believe you, but I've struggled with this ever since I was a child. Since they took away my smile. Since they took away my smile.